How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Gang. My name is Jose, and if you're new to this channel, just remember that we pretty much bring you the information that you need so you can have a better understanding on the crypto market and make smart decisions with your money. So we are going to talk about why the crypto market crashed pretty much last week, or it had a retracement. There's a lot of theories out there. A lot of people say that it's just crashed and it's not gonna recover. A lot of people say that it was just a healthy retracement, and other theories say that it's just pretty much a retracement that had to happen because of leverage, and the pretty much the bull run is going to be extended onto next year. So let's go real quick to this part right here, and we are going to go, and as we can see here, this was on December 4. That was pretty much the flush out, the quick crash that we had. We went from 57.7 thousand Bitcoin, went all the way down to 42,000, and right now is at $49,000. So a lot of things pretty much happened because of that. They found a new variant, this Omicron variant, last week in South Africa. That's one thing, and then another thing, it was that this Evergrande company, which is one of the biggest real estate or developer companies in China and the world, pretty much said that if they might default into their debt, and the Fed pretty much came and said that, listen, we thought that inflation was going to be transitory, and apparently it's not going to be transitory anymore. So we have to do something about it. We have to pretty much stop the printer and just not print so much money, maybe increase the interest rates, and that will pretty much slow down the economy. So that was like three factors that caused the retracement on the crypto markets. And not only on the crypto markets, I mean, I want to show you also this part right here, that so that was Bitcoin, and then this is the Dow Jones, and that happened on the 4th, right? So on the 4th right here, let me see, what do you got here? So pretty much last week on the 3rd, which it was Friday, Dow Jones came down like around 600 points. It came down to 34,000 points. Now what happened? As you can see, this big candle, huge candle, is from today, and this pretty much, we can see that here the Dow is up 600 points. So if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, we can see that today we have a small little candle, and that's why Bitcoin is up or back on the 49,000 level. So that's one thing that I wanted to put out there, and also I want to show you another tweet from this guy Willclemente, which if you don't know, I mean, like if you don't follow him, I will definitely recommend to follow him on Twitter, because he's like a 19-year-old kid, and he has extremely precise on-chain data and a lot of valuable information. So he tweeted on the 5th, have talked about this for a while, but really think there's a good chance 4-year cycles are over. Why? The type of market participants we now have could very well soon round the tops, bottoms from now on. Validation will be handed off, a blow off would then expect a prolonged bear. Now the thing is, pretty much what he's saying here, and what a lot of people are saying, is that the cycles are pretty much going to be extended. I mean, a lot of people say, or the theory behind it is that we that every 4 years there's a halving, and then the bull run extends for a little bit. So now the thing is that what he's saying is, because of massive adoption of crypto, those pretty much peaks will not be happening. I mean, because it's pretty much a lot of people that it's in the market right now compared to 2017, compared to 2013. So we wouldn't have those massive peaks and then like sharp crashes to the downside. So we pretty much will have like a very steady top and then a very gradually bottom. Now, another thing I want to show you here. Let me see if I can see here. If I can see, let me see plan B. Let me see what plan B says. He said something about it. Okay, so here. So for context, 2017 bull market. So this was the 2017 bull market, and then here on this part right here, we had Bitcoin had a 38% retracement. Again, a 38.7% retracement here, a 33% retracement, a 38% retracement, a 36% retracement, and finally a 29% retracement. That pretty much tells you that nothing goes up in a straight line, because it's actually unhealthy that a market goes up in a straight line. It's just pretty much not possible. I mean, just imagine like you go and run not a sprint, but you run a marathon, and you run a marathon pretty much as fast as you can. There's going to be a point in the race that you are going to get tired, and then you want to pretty much, instead of run, you want to jog or even walk. So that's pretty much the same analogy in the market. I mean, nothing goes straight up in or nothing goes up in a straight line. Pretty much everything we have retracements, and we have different parts of the bull market. So another part that I want to show you here is this part right here, that this part right here, where Rand from Cryptoman Rand put into perspective that on December 4th, $2.36 billion were liquidated. I mean, and that pretty much tells you that we had a lot of leverage in the market. We had a lot of people pretty much playing with fire, and as usual, people got burned. And I'm gonna pretty much be very clear here. I mean, I used to play with leverage also. I used to pretty much play with a lot of leverage. I mean, I'm talking about 10, 20x, and then I got liquidated like everybody else. And I learned my lesson. I mean, like, just try not to play with leverage, because that's not the most smart thing, or the smartest thing that there is. So that's one thing for the thought. So another thing that I want to tell you guys is, like, if you're liking this video, just don't forget to like and subscribe. Pretty much that's what I'm asking you in return of all the information that I'm telling you. Just a like and a subscribe. That way, pretty much more people can know about crypto and can make money to change their life for good. Another thing that I want to show you guys is this thing right here, which is the fear and greed index, and that's today's fear and greed index for Bitcoin, and it's right now at 17. We had last month, we were at 71, which pretty much it goes accordingly to the leverage that it was in the market. We had extreme leverage. We had pretty much everybody was like making money, and a lot of people was like, yes, give me more, give me more, give me more. And then all of a sudden, the market needs to pretty much reset for that to have a healthy and a balanced continuation to the upside. Last week was 33, yesterday was 18, and now is 16. Now what happens? Well, let me tell you something. I mean, like, because one of the things that I've always said on this channel is just to always see what the whales are doing, always see what other people, like the smart money, is doing, instead of doing what they're saying they're going to do. So in Well Alert, which is on Twitter, another account that I definitely recommend you to follow, as well as my own account. I mean, like, if you're not following me on Twitter, just give me a subscribe, Jose Crypto _IO. I tweet about crypto, I tweet about altcoins, and pretty much about other things, but mostly about crypto, altcoins, and on my moves on the market. So look, that was 35 seconds ago. That's 19 million, almost 20 million dollars, or 20 million USDT transferred from Kraken to Phemex. And then there's another one, almost $20 million transferred from Phemex to unknown wallet. There's 1,500 Bitcoins transferred from Zappo to Binance. Let me show you. There's one here. Okay, so $29 million or 29 million USDT transferred from unknown wallet to Binance. Now, $126 million or 126 million USDT transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. What tells you that? Pretty much they're going to do something with that money. I mean, some things have to happen with that money. I mean, they're not going to leave that much amount of USDT on the exchanges. They're going to pretty much use it, buy something, like maybe buy altcoins, buy Ethereum, buy Bitcoin, and those that money, that USDT, it has to be used. That's why they're putting it on the exchanges. One of the things that you can actually do, I mean, like, remember, just do your own research I'm not a financial advisor. This is pretty much what I'm doing, and this is what pretty much I've been allocating my money in. Is right here, Polygon. And why Polygon? Not just Polygon, but let me just share this screen. Polygon. So not just Polygon, just the CK rollups, because the narrative is that yes, we are on a metaverse. We are pretty much on a metaverse trend. We are on a gaming trend, but the thing is, like, most of them are going to happen on Ethereum, which is the number one smart chain blockchain for now. And we all know what's happening with Ethereum, that it's unscalable, it's very slow, and it's very expensive. But then solutions like Polygon, like Immutable X, like other CK rollups, they open the door for a new era of scalability. Polygon, pretty much, they are going to have the Polygon ZK Day sometime this week, I believe, and that pretty much reflects on their chart, because today pretty much not much is green, but Polygon is 2.26% up. And look at this. I mean, like, and this was on the day of the crash on December 3rd. It came down all the way down to $1.5, and then it said, you know what, screw this, and it went slowly up. Came a little bit down, and today's slowly up. Avalanche, same thing. Avalanche, pretty much, Avalanche had a run, like a decent run, like on the November 21st it hit all-time highs to 148, and then pretty much it retraced, it went up, it retraced, it went up, it went up, and it retraced, and then the crash happened, and then it retraced a little bit, and then it's going up, it's accumulating. That's pretty much a healthy thing on the market. Another one, very important, Luna, pretty much Luna is like it took on everyone, because this was the crash December 3rd. It went down to $50 after being all the way at $70, and then after that, 2 days after, the next day, they say, you know what, screw this, I'm gonna go up, and it pretty much marked an all-time high of 78. Now it kind of like retraced a little bit, and then it's going back up. It's negative 3% right now, but nothing to be scared of. So pretty much what I'm trying to tell you is, like, I personally don't believe that the bull market is over. I personally believe that we are on a healthy retracement, on a healthy accumulation phase. We might have this for weeks or months, but the good thing is that the bull market is on an extension phase, which I don't believe we're gonna go into a bear market anytime soon. Hopefully I'm right, because at the end of the day, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody in this market has a crystal ball, and yeah, I mean, like, that's pretty much the thing, and that's where I'm allocating my money right now, and that's pretty much all the moves that I'm doing. And just remember that whatever you do, just don't forget to do your own research. Don't forget to follow other people on the market, and just draw your own conclusions. I mean, just don't follow me. I mean, like, follow other people in the crypto market, in the crypto space. And just also that's a way of saying, just don't trust 100% of what I say. I mean, just go do your research, because at the end of the day, it's your money, what are you putting on the line. I mean, we want pretty much, I want for us to pretty much make life-changing money, and money that could actually help us, paying the bills and getting a better life. But at the end of the day, it's your money, and you have to take the responsibility to do the research before risking any amount of money. So with that, I just want to thank you for pretty much watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and just check the links on the description below. Check the website. Just follow me on Twitter, on Instagram. I mean, like on Instagram, I just put like stories and some personal stuff. But on Twitter, I'm just pretty much tweeting about crypto and the markets. So just follow me on the social medias, and just in the meantime, trade well, my friends. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm Jose. Peace.